Your back might be small because your forearms are weak. You train pull-ups, rows, all your back exercises like a warrior. But if your hands open up before the second set even starts, your back stays small forever. To actually grow your back, like your biceps, chest, or legs, you need to train those skinny forearms separately. Let me fix that. Forearms are one of those secret attractive muscles. Just like a thick neck or sharp abs, you can have double biceps and a big chest, but the moment you put on a t-shirt, game over. All your gains disappear, leaving those hanging noodles you call forearms. Grow them though. Your arms look thicker, your grip feels powerful, and even your handshake makes people rethink their life choices. Now, how do you get bigger, thicker wrists? Bad news first, you can't really grow your actual wrist bones. There's mostly bone, tendons, a little muscle, and skin. Not much size potential there. But here's the good news. Your forearm muscles can grow like crazy. And when they do, your wrists look thicker automatically, even if your bone structure is small. However, most beginners fail to develop their forearms. And here's the real reason why. You've been training the wrong muscles, in the wrong way. The truth is, forearms are one of the fastest muscles to transform visually. You don't need to be shredded like Baki Hanma. You don't need a 2-hour forearm day. And you definitely don't need to do 9,000 wrist curls until your soul leaves your body. You just need to train the 4 functions that actually make them grow. Elbow flexion, wrist flexion and extension, pronation and supination, grip strength. Get those right and everything changes. Your veins pop, your grip skyrockets. Your arms look thicker, even if your biceps stay the same size. And every shirt you wear suddenly looks custom made. So today, here are 5 solid moves to hit those functions and build juicy forearms that look strong even when you're just standing still. But before exercises, you need to understand the one muscle that changes your entire forearm game, the brachioradialis. This is the real MVP, the muscle that gives your forearms that thick, massive look from every angle. Most guys train for months with 0 results because they never hit this muscle properly. The best part? You don't need heavy weights, you just need the right angles. Alright, here's exactly how to train them. 1. Pronated bicep curl. The brachioradialis builder. Grab dumbbells, bags, or even water bottles. Do a curl, but flip your grip so your palms face down. Pronated. Suddenly that hidden muscle lights up. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Do this right, and your forearms instantly look thicker from the side. 2. Dead hangs. Grab a bar and just hang. Simple. This builds the kind of grip strength that makes people hesitate before shaking your hand. 3. Towel hangs. The evil upgrade. If dead hangs feel easy, throw a towel over the bar and hang from the towel instead. Now your hands, forearms, and brachioradialis work 10 times harder. This movement builds that thick, meaty forearm look. 4. Rice bucket drills. Old school. Still unbeaten. Stick your hand into a bucket of rice. Open, close, twist, dig, repeat. Move with intention. Don't just poke around like leftovers. 5. Fingertip push-ups. Next level strength. If you don't have rice, this is your destiny. Fingertip push-ups build insane wrist stability, finger strength, and control. This is the kind of training associated with legends like Bruce Lee. They're harder than they look. Around rep 8, your fingers start screaming in languages you don't speak. Keep your fingers tight. Press from the tips, not the pads. If it's too hard, drop to your knees. No excuses. And that's it. 5 simple moves to build massive forearms that turn heads the moment you walk into a room. Do that, and even when you're just standing still, your arms will look powerful.